In this video, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing a budget-friendly e-bike by Swagtron, the EB9. Let's check it out. Alright, so here's what the EB9 box looks like when it comes in. Now, Swagtron did send us a few other bikes as well for review and unboxing, but we're going to open up the box for the EB9 right now. This is the color blue. It's also a step-through e-bike. Let's go ahead and check out what it looks like on the inside. Alright, so we got some cable ties to cut off, some bubble wrap. Now we did notice a little paint chip on the rack, most likely from shipping. Nothing that a little black touch-up paint can't fix. There's black gloss paint everywhere, so that's not a big deal. Alright, now these bikes are really light too, so you don't have to worry about maybe getting, an extra person to help you take it out of the box. Alright, so after cutting everything open and getting all the packaging material off, we're going to take the keys out and unlock the battery, because we want to charge the battery while we assemble the bike, just so we get a little extra juice before taking it for a spin. Here's the battery, slides out, there's the track right there. You can even have a little button to see how much juice is left. Now we're going to put the seat on. You can see it's got some springs, so it is a little bit of suspension. And you have a quick release seat post. It's always nice to have springs in the seat, especially for bikes that don't have any suspension at all. Makes for a really nice, smoother ride. Then we're going to put the handlebars on. Pretty quick, easy install. That's what's nice about these e-bikes and even a Swagtron e-bike. It comes pretty much 90-95% already pre-assembled. You really only have a few things to put on. Love these handlebars. Alright, now we have an accessories little box which most likely houses tools and whatnot. Alright, so we have the battery charger, we have the manual, along with a few tools, then you have the pedals, and we have the quick release skewer for the front tire, and some reflectors. Alright, so we're going to put the front fender on. A little tricky, you'll need to tighten both ends. I'm going to put the front tire on, and just got to remove the safety and protective plastic pieces. And grab that quick release skewer. You're going to put it through the front axle. Remember the small ends of the spring on the inside, large end of the spring on the outside. And just line up the fork ends to the ends of the axle. Lined up perfectly, just tighten it down. Use one side to get some tension, and then use the other side to clamp down to add the added tension. Now you want to grab the fender stays on the sides, unscrew the screw so you can screw those on to secure the fender. Alright, that was easy. Alright, take the pedals, and they are labeled left and right, so no confusion there. And they are metal pedals. Not plastic, they are metal, so very durable. And they're studded around the edges, so they definitely grip your shoes. Remember, the left pedal is counterclockwise, and the right side pedal is normal clockwise. Nice and tight. Alright, we'll put the battery back in after charging it for a little bit. It is a little tight, but you'll get it. I really love the rear rack battery design. Saves a lot of space in the frame for other attachments. Lights work, so we're going to put some air in the tires. They were a little low being shipped to us. Alright, turn the bike on, everything works. Okay, we have the thumb throttle. I love the thumb throttle. Very rare, especially on a budget bike. Tire spins. That's perfect. We're ready to ride. Let's check out the bike on the website. Currently, it's going for $799. Really great price. Of course, it only comes in the color blue. Now you can check out the website at the bottom of the video description if you're interested in getting some more info. Let's go ahead and check out the specs. Alright, we have a hard rubber grips, and we have a display with the controls attached to it, and we have a warning bell. And a thumb throttle. 7-speed thumb shifter. Metal foot pedals, and the e-bike controller is underneath. Don't forget that quick release seat post that I mentioned earlier, along with the springs in the seat. The keys for the 36-volt battery, which releases the battery. You have V-type brakes. Actually not bad either, they work very well. And you have a metal kickstand with a safety. Again, here's the integrated tail light. You turn the light on and off, and uses the battery. Here, if you wanted to plug in to charge your battery, that's the port. It also has a USB port if you wanted to charge your cell phone, Bluetooth speaker, whatever it might be. And you have a 250 watt rear hub motor, along with a Shimano derailleur system. Don't forget that dual chain guard to keep that chain on track. Very nice to have. And again, it has that quick release front tire. Front and rear metal fenders, and 7-seat tires. Well, that was the EB9. Taking the EB9 out for a ride. The EB9 will get you about 20 miles an hour with pedal assist. And up to 16 miles per hour using the throttle. Now this bike will get you up to 20 miles of range on a single charge. And the weight capacity is around 225 pounds. And the bike is only 42 pounds itself, which is great because you can actually ride the bike just like a normal bike using the shifter. The handlebars are really ergonomic. You can pretty much sit up straight. I love the handlebars on this. No more leaning all the way forward. Anyway, this is Nelson with the E-Ryders channel. Please like and subscribe, and be sure to check out the website down below in the description if you're interested in the EB9 by Swagtron. Again, thanks for watching. Check you later.